If you want to add an event to calendar on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply go to the calendar app over here. We have two calendar apps, so I'm going to mention both of them. Over here we can press allow. There we go. And in order to create an event, we can press this plus button over here in the top right corner. Here we can fill everything in. We can also choose if the event is taking the whole day or not. We can choose when it starts and when it ends, whether it repeats or not, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we have a couple of different options. And once you are done, we can press, let me actually set up a name quickly. There we go. We can press this check over here in the top right corner in order to save the event. And this is, of course, the Xiaomi app. If you're looking for the Google Calendar app, then of course we can find it right next to it. Let's allow notifications. There we go. And in this case, if you want to create an event, then we can find this plus button over here in the bottom right corner, and we can choose event. And then we have similar options, maybe a little bit more of them actually. So you can fill everything in, you can manage, for example, notifications over here. You can add descriptions and so on and so forth, or even add people. And once you set up the name, you can press save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.